Okay guys and girls, I'm going to shoot a quick video of this 77 Ramcharger. It is a factory snowplow edition. The plow is available from the guy I purchased it from for extra cost. It does need some repair. I'm thinking about buying it back from him because it's kind of cool that it's the original plow and original snowplow edition. Have paperwork from the when it was new on that. So anyway, 77 318 automatic. Carburetor's been rebuilt, points, plugs, wires, cap, rotor. It's got newer exhaust on it. The brakes have been gone through. Basically, he was trying to get it as mechanically good as he could. The body is going to need rockers and wheel lips. The frame is in good shape. It runs and drives good. The seats, actually, the upper door panels are actually in nice shape. The lowers need new carpet. The truck needs new carpet. The seat bottoms on both of them need to be replaced. The back seat is in great shape. The dash is in great shape. Some of the gauges don't work. You see the little snowplow controls. Four-wheel drive works. Like I said, the truck starts and runs great. New alternator, new battery, new voltage regulator. Basically, like I said, needs some body work and a paint job, carpet, and I think the seat bottoms done and the bottoms of the door panels. I don't think the uppers are worth messing with, and I think you'd be wasting time. The wood grain and stuff is in great shape. Very cool truck, that being the snowplow edition. Anyways, it you know, you're going to do a little bit of metal replacement, but a very original, very cool truck. I can't remember if he said it was one owner, if his uncle was the original owner or not. I just put a windshield in it, which these classic windshields are getting pricey. They're kind of costly, but anyways, I had to put one in that 75 Ford also, but it seems to be nobody wants to do it because they don't want to spend the money on it. But anyways, so that's the heater will smoke you out of it. I mean, on halfway it'll flat out smoke you out of it, so that's a plus. I think I'm going to start ordering some patch panels. The price will go up accordingly. I think I'm going to order the patch panels, and then if it has not sold, I'll probably have the body work and paint job done, and then I'll go ahead and do the seat bottoms and carpet at that point too. Anyways, the plow is going to be another $1,500, and it needs repair, but it is the original plow for the truck. So anyways, pretty cool. 77 Ramcharger. Some of the gas gauge is not working, and the tank has been taken out, lined inside and out, in a new sending unit. So the gauge itself, or there's probably a wiring issue from it to the gauge. Drives down the road pretty good. It seems to run good, stops good. Just kind of a cool truck, be a neat one to restore. So there you go, 77 Ramcharger. Thanks.